To me, success, living my life, it means living my life on my terms, living my life by design, meaning that doing what I want to do. And it's not about financial success, having a lot of money, because it was never on my mind to have $100 million, right? It was never on my mind. But in my mind was, this is the house that I want to have. These are the cars that I want to have. These are the things that I want to do. And focusing on those things. But when you ask me, when is enough? I don't think it's never enough, especially if you're surrounded around the right people. And to me, I was very happy. And I always said, let's think about 10 years ago. I said, you know what, I'm going to retire. When I retire, I'm going to retire and I'm going to have a 45-foot yacht. And to me, that was like my dream boat, my dream yacht. That's what I'm going to have. And sure enough, I buy a 50-foot yacht and I have a 50-foot yacht and I'm enjoying my yacht. And one day I get invited to go on my friend's yacht and he has an 80-foot. And now the age comes in that, wow, my 50-foot is too small. I need an 80-foot. So when isn't it enough? I don't think it's ever enough. It's just like, when you get exposed to something that you were never exposed to, you get that itch that you want more, that you want that thing. And it's up to you if you want to go for it or not.